3 Healthy Lunchbox Ideas for Employees Part 2. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 quick and easy lunchbox ideas that are perfect for the workplace. These meals are not only nutritious, but also designed to keep you energized and productive throughout your busy day. 1. Greek yogurt and granola parfait. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, granola, mixed berries, honey, chia seeds. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. 2. Lentil soup. Ingredients: lentils, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, spinach, vegetable broth, cumin, paprika. Cook lentils with chopped vegetables and spices in vegetable broth. Add spinach just before serving. 3. Caprese salad with whole grain. Crackers. Ingredients: fresh mozzarella, cherry tomatoes, basil leaves, balsamic vinegar, whole grain crackers. Layer mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar and pack with whole grain crackers. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.